Hey James, it's Watson here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to give you a quick look at this beautiful 2022 S580. You'll notice that this was manufactured in the beautiful diamond white exterior. So it has a very elegant light metallic to that white flavor. Now the real theme here is sort of the black and white theme, as you can see from the front grille, and coming around, of course, to the wheels, which were also ordered in the 20-inch multi-spoke variety in gloss black. So that really matches up. You'll see as the camera comes around with the black mirrors and the black panoramic roof. So you've really got a thematic look here. Now this vehicle was equipped with many options: night package, technology package, warmth and comfort package for those in hot and cold climates, and of course the AMG line package, which gives it that really aggressive stance on the road. So this is a very heavily equipped 2022 S580. Beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? Now, this is the brand new S-Class style. Now, notice those beautiful seats. That's the diamond stitching and that super supple black NAPPA leather. S-Class is known as our flagship sedan, so plenty of room for you and your passengers and an uncompromising ride on the road. Notice the new center console with the 12.3-inch screen for all your navigation and accessory needs. Again, the theme, the black and white theme, runs all the way through the car. Really beautiful setup. This was special ordered for some lucky person, maybe such as yourself. Well, I really appreciate you taking a quick look at this vehicle. Please give me a call anytime. My name's Watson. Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-510-2284.